I hope instead you are engaged, you are paying attention, and you will vote like your beloved country depends upon it, which it does. My heart is broken for the Department of Justice, but I have great confidence in the federal judicial system, and I'm innocent. So let's have a trial and keep the faith.
Sumuko sa federal authorities ang dating director ng Federal Bureau of Investigation o FBI na si James Comey. Kasunod ito ng panibagong kasong inihain laban sa kanya sa umano'y tangkang pagpatay kay US President Donald Trump. Nag-ugat ang issue sa post ni Comey sa Instagram noong 2025 na isang larawan ng shell formation sa isang beach ng mga numerong 8647. Sa US, ang number 86 ay tinuturing na slang term na ang ibig sabihin ay get rid of o tapusin, habang ang ayon sa prosecution, ang 47 na tinutukoy ay si Trump na ika-47th president ng Amerika. May caption itong cool shell formation on my beach walk.
If anybody knows anything about crime, they know 86. You know what 86? It's a mob term for killing. People think of it as something having to do with disappearing, but the mob uses that term to say when they want to kill somebody, they say 86.
Mariing itinanggi ni Comey ang aligasyon at sinabing hindi niya alam na may kahulugan ang mga numero na iyon at sinabing politically motivated ang akusasyon laban sa kanya. Si Comey ay kilalang kritiko ni Trump. Hindi naglatag ng plea si Comey sa pagharap niya sa korte sa Virginia nitong Miyerkules. Ayon sa kanyang abogado na si Patrick Fitzgerald, iaapila nila ang dismissal ng kaso sa dahilang selective at vindicative prosecution. 2 kaso ng felony o tangkang pagpatay kay Trump ang nakahain na ngayon laban kay Comey. Bawat isang kaso ay may parusang 10 taong pagkakabilanggo. Sa isang video, nanindigan si Comey na siya'y inosente at hindi siya natatakot. Naniniwala pa rin siya sa pagiging independent ng hukuman.
My family and I have known for years that there are costs to standing up to Donald Trump, but we couldn't imagine ourselves living any other way. We will not live on our knees, and you shouldn't either. Somebody that I love dearly recently said that fear is the tool of a tyrant, and she's right. But I'm not afraid, and I hope you're not either.
Sa pahayag naman ni Trump ng tanungin kaugnay ng issue, tinawag nitong crooked o tiwali si Comey at naniniwala itong may tangka sa kanyang buhay si Comey.
People like Comey have created tremendous danger, I think, for politicians and others. Comey is a dirty cop. He's a crooked man.
Ayon naman kay Acting US Attorney General Todd Blanche, itinanggi nito na politically motivated ang kaso. Nagpaalala ito sa lahat na hindi dapat nagsasalita ng anumang banta sa Pangulo ng US dahil ito ay isang malaking krimen.
I think it's fair to say that threatening the life of anybody is dangerous and potentially a crime. Threatening the life of the President of the United States will never be tolerated by the Department of Justice.
Jovic Bermas, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.